Let's see how to stencil a concrete floor with Oaklane Studio's Bohemian Tile design. Make sure your floor is completely clean and dry. Check out our website for more details. We're using an old paint tray, so we'll just cover it up with a plastic bag, making cleanup easier. We'll start by applying a base coat of Patio paint. We'll use a roller to cover most of the floor and a brush to get into the edges by the walls. Let the paint completely dry and apply a second coat. Once the second coat is dry, we're ready to stencil. Apply a thin mist of spray repositional adhesive to the back of the stencil. Wait about a minute and then press the stencil to the floor. Put frog tape beneath the triangle registration marks for easily aligning the stencil when you repeat the pattern. Also mask the edge of your stencil with tape. Replace the plastic bag and pour in the next color of Patio paint. We're mixing a couple to get the color we like. Roll the foam roller in the paint and remove excess by rolling on a paper towel or newspaper. It's super important to not have too much paint on the roller or brush, or paint will seep under the stencil, causing blurry edges. Gently roll the paint over your stencil. Don't be tempted to press hard, which would cause the paint to bleed. Be patient, it will take a few coats to get the coverage you're looking for. To repeat the pattern, line up your stencil with the registration marks and keep rolling. When you get to the wall, simply bend the stencil up against the wall. You can use a stencil brush to dab into the edges if you'd like. We're just using the roller to create a soft border. Continue to repeat the pattern across your floor. Today we're using a small stencil, but if you want to speed things up, Oaklane Studios offers medium and large versions of their stencils, which are great because they allow you to cover large areas more quickly. Once the paint is completely dry, roll on a layer of acrylic clear coat to protect your gorgeous new floor.